Hey kids, here is an interesting lesson. The title of this lesson is How Creatures Move. The lesson How Creatures Move is included in Unit 10 of Marigold English Reader, which is prescribed for Class 3 students. As you all know, children, different creatures move in different ways. And here is a poem that talks about the different ways in which creatures move. So let's go through the poem and find out how each animal is different from the other in terms of its movement. Children, as we read the poem, you can also move in different ways and see who has the most fun. So let's begin. As I mentioned earlier, the title of the poem is How Creatures Move. The lion walks on padded paws. The squirrel leaps from limb to limb, while flies can crawl straight up a wall and seals can dive and swim. The worm he wiggles all around. The monkey swings by his tail, and birds may hop upon the ground or spread their wings and sail. But boys and girls have much more fun. They leap and dance and walk and run. Now, as this poem describes the movement of different animals, you'll find here many action words like walks, leaps, crawl, dive and swim, wiggles, swings, hop, spread, sail, leap, dance, walk, run. Now let's go through the poem in detail. The lion walks on padded paws. The squirrel leaps from limb to limb, while flies can crawl straight up a wall and seals can dive and swim. The worm he wiggles all around. The monkey swings by his tail. And birds may hop upon the ground or spread their wings and sail. But boys and girls have much more fun. They leap and dance and walk and run. Children, this is a simple poem and does not require much explanation to understand. The whole poem is about how different creatures move. The lion has got padded paws so that it can run over rough surface without getting hurt. At the same time, a squirrel leaps from one branch to another. And flies, apart from flying, they can also crawl straight up a wall, whereas seals can dive and swim in water. And the worm can wiggle all around. Here the word wiggles refers to the zigzag movement of the worm. Now, how does a monkey swing? It swings by its tail. And birds can hop on the ground and at the same time fly with their wings. But here, the poet is of the opinion that though these creatures have different types of movements, they do not enjoy as much as boys and girls. Boys and girls can leap and dance. They can even walk and run. So the poet feels that boys and girls, or humans in particular, can have more fun because their body lets them leap and dance and walk and run. Now let's find out the action words in this poem. Action words are also called as verbs. Now, what is a verb? A verb is a word that describes an action. So here the action words are walks, leaps, crawl, dive and swim, wiggles, swings, hop, spread, sail, leap, dance, walk, and run. So there are 13 action words in this poem. Now, from the lesson How Creatures Move, let's discuss the new words. The first new word is padded, and it means to line or stuff with soft material. On the screen, you will find the picture of a pencil case, which is padded. The usage of the word padded is, my father bought me a padded pencil case. The second new word is limb, and it means an arm or leg of a person or four-legged animal or a bird's wing. It can also refer to the branch of a tree as used in the poem. Now here you can see a monkey climbing up the pole using his limbs. Here is the sentence that I have written using the word limb. The monkey went up and down the pole using his limbs. The third new word is crawl, and it means to walk slowly using hands and knees. Babies learn to crawl first before they walk. This sentence using the word crawl is, the baby crawled around the room looking for his toy. The fourth new word is dive, and it means to jump into the water. Here you will find a man who is scared to jump into the water. He doesn't want to dive. The sentence using the word dive is, the man was scared to dive into the pool. The fifth new word is wiggle, and it means to move up and down or from side to side with small, quick movements. In this video, you can see a lady wiggling her toes. Now the sentence using the word wiggle is, my sister likes to wiggle her toes always. So children, here we have come to the end of this session. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a great day.